Hey everyone, today on Quick Tips we're going to talk to you about the Rode Wireless Mic Go and how you can quickly secure it to your Shimoda Designs shoulder strap. Let's just unzip the phone pocket, unclip it, and you can see Rode Wireless Go. Now you just want to turn it around, clip it to the outside layer of the pocket. It's really easy to do. Another option you have is to open the pocket and just drop the actual mic inside and zip it up about 1/4. Now you can hear if there's actual audio difference. Testing 1, 2, 3 inside the pocket. Testing 1, 2, 3 outside the pocket. Testing 1, 2, 3 inside the pocket. Testing 1, 2, 3 outside the pocket. So you can decide yourself which works best for you. Now having it inside is definitely good on a day like today. You know, there's a lot of precipitation in the air, so it's going to keep it protected. Another benefit of using this pocket is that it acts as a safety net. So if it does come off, chances are it's going to fall into here. So that's it for Quick Tips. We'll see you next time.